Kimchi, yogurt, kombucha, you might be eating the wrong one for your gut. There's one fermented food that outshines them all, and it's probably not the one you're thinking of. Hey everyone, I'm Olawale. Today, we're diving into the world of fermented foods, the real superfuel for your gut. Not all fermented foods are created equal. Some are loaded with sugar, others barely have any live bacteria left. So, which ones actually deliver? We're ranking the top fermented foods based on science, from the best to the ones you should skip. We'll look at probiotic diversity, nutrition, and potential downsides. And at the end, I'll reveal the ultimate gut health hero you can easily add to your routine. Let's get started. First up, the classic yogurt. Yogurt is made by fermenting milk with beneficial bacteria, making it easier to digest and packed with probiotics. It's a great source of protein, calcium, and B vitamins. But here's the catch. Most store-bought yogurts are loaded with sugar and additives, which can undo the benefits. Always check for live and active cultures on the label. That's your guarantee of real probiotics. Go for plain, unsweetened yogurt with just milk and cultures in the ingredients. Add your own fruit or a drizzle of honey if you want sweetness. Skip the dessert-like yogurts. They're not doing your gut any favors. Without live cultures, you're just eating dairy, not a probiotic food. So, for real benefits, plain, unsweetened, and live cultures only. That's how you get the most from yogurt. Next, meet kefir, the probiotic powerhouse. Kefir is a tangy, drinkable fermented milk made with kefir grains, which are colonies of bacteria and yeast. Unlike yogurt's 2 to 5 strains, kefir can have up to 60 different strains of beneficial microbes. Think of it as a rainforest for your gut. More diversity means more health benefits. Kefir packs a much higher probiotic count than yogurt, often over 10 billion CFUs per cup. It's also easier to digest for many people with lactose intolerance. Plus, it's loaded with protein, calcium, magnesium, and B vitamins. Making kefir at home is simple. Add grains to milk, let it ferment, strain, and repeat. If you buy it, choose plain unsweetened versions for maximum benefit. Kefir is the top choice for anyone serious about gut health. More strains, more benefits, fewer downsides. It's the real MVP. Now let's talk veggies, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Both are fermented cabbage dishes packed with probiotics and nutrients. Kimchi adds garlic, ginger, and chili for extra anti-inflammatory power. Fermentation boosts vitamin C, K, and antioxidants, making these foods nutritional standouts. But beware, many store-bought versions are pasteurized, killing the good bacteria. Look for raw, unpasteurized, or contains live cultures on the label, usually in the refrigerated section. Or make your own at home for the freshest, most potent probiotics. Kimchi and sauerkraut are great for gut health, but only if they're truly alive. Don't settle for pickled cabbage. Go for the real raw deal. Your gut will thank you. Kombucha, the fizzy fermented tea that's everywhere. It's made with a SCOBY, producing probiotics and organic acids. When brewed right, it's a refreshing, low-sugar alternative to soda. But here's the problem. Many brands are loaded with sugar, and probiotic content varies wildly. Some bottles have as much sugar as soda, and not all deliver meaningful probiotics. Kombucha also contains caffeine and a bit of alcohol, which may not suit everyone. Always check the label for sugar content and live cultures. If you enjoy it, treat it as an occasional drink, not your main probiotic source. Fun, trendy, but not the most reliable for gut health. There are better options. After comparing them all, kefir stands out as the ultimate gut health hero. It offers unmatched microbial diversity, up to 60 strains, and a huge probiotic punch. Kefir delivers more live cultures, higher potency, and is easier to digest than most other options. It's packed with nutrients and simple to make or buy. Drink it plain blended into smoothies or use it in recipes. If you want to supercharge your gut, kefir is the clear winner. More strains, more benefits, fewer downsides. It's the evidence-based choice for a healthier gut. All fermented foods have value, but kefir is the champion. Make it your daily habit. Kefir isn't just healthy, it's versatile and delicious. Blend it, freeze it, or add it to your favorite recipes. The key is to enjoy it in ways that fit your lifestyle. I've seen people transform their digestion and energy just by adding kefir daily. Don't fall for hype, go for what works. Kefir delivers more strains, more benefits, and fewer downsides than the rest. What's your favorite fermented food? Tried kefir? Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips. Stay nourished, stay curious.